ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज 349 for Agnihotra. It was said 360 days there are ahutis morning and evening, so total 720. But actually in each session you have to give 2 ahutis, so it will become 1440. 1440. टीका आहुतिमयी नाम इष्टकानाम संवत्सर अवयव अहोरात्रेषु संख्या सामान्येन एव दृष्टिम अन्वाचष्टे. And it was also said that these 360 days which are there for which you do ahuti, so based on that, for this yajna also yajushmati ishtaka abhisampadhyamanaha. So as many bricks you should understand. I mean, this is for upasana, yajna sambandhi upasana you can do. Samvatsarascha ahoratrani. So in 1 year, 360 days, 360 nights, so 720 bricks are there. Samvatsaram agnim prajapatim apnuvanti. Before that, in Tika. So samvatsarasya iti, that samvatsarasya cha ahoratrani. Tani api षष्टि अधिकानि त्रीणि शतानि प्रसिद्धानि. They are also 360. This is very well known. Day and nights. तथा च तेषु यथोक्तेषु इष्टका दृष्टिः श्लिष्टा इत्यर्थः. Whenever drishti shabda they put, means you should understand upasana, means thinking, drishti or darshanam. In this context, it is upasana. You have to look at it in this way. Ahutishu. तानि अपि षष्टि अधिकानि त्रीणि शतानि प्रसिद्धाः. चित्ते अग्नौ संवत्सरात्म प्रजापति दृष्टिम आह. And that Agni which is there in that Prajapati Drishti. In Agni Prajapati Drishti. Tani Chitye Agnau, in that fire which is kindled, Samvatsaratma Prajapati Drishtim Aha. Samvatsar in Bhashya, Samvatsaram Agnim Prajapatim Apnuvanti. Samvatsara is Agni which is Prajapati. So that's why Agni Brahmana, which was there earlier, it was equated with Prajapati. 1.2. यह संवत्सरः प्रजापतिस्तं चित्यम अग्निम विद्वांसः संपादयन्ति. यह संवत्सरः प्रजापतिः संवत्सर इज प्रजापति, तम चित्यम अग्निम विद्वांसः संपादयति. विद्वान मीन्स उपासकस. प्रजापति ही अग्निम संपादयन्ति means they considered this Prajapati as Agni. अहोरात्र इष्टका द्वारा तयोः संख्या सामान्यात्. For upasana, you need some samanyam. So here, what is the samanyam? The sankhya samanyam. In ahoratri, in that ishtaka means number of bricks. So that is the as many. So in this kind of some ritual, 720 bricks probably they will have to keep. So 360 day, 360 nights in this way. So that is the samanya. 5 number tippani you see. इष्टक अहोरात्रयोः संख्या सामान्य च. And 6 number टिप्पणी अहोरात्र इति संवत्सर अहोरात्रवत् चित्य अग्नि इष्टकयोः अवयव अवयवी भावात्. अग्नि is avayavi. Ishtaka, the bricks are the avayava which are used for lightning, creating the fire. Like Samvatsara is avayavi and Ahoratra are avayava. Further in Tika, Drishtim Anudya Phalam Darshayati. So what is the phalam of this? Evam Kritva Samvatsaram Juhvad Apajayati Punar Mrityum Itah Pretya Deveshu Sambhutah Punar Namriyata Ityartha. So Apajayati Punarmrityum. He will win over Punarmrityu. How? Means Punaha Mrityu Jayati means once he will die. Second time he will not die. So he will die from here, then he'll go to Devaloka, then he'll stay there, and then Punaha Namriyate. So there he will get Jnanam, then Krama Mukti will happen. Tika. उक्त संख्या सामान्येन अग्निहोत्र आहुति अग्नि अवयव भूतया अग्नि अवयव भूत याजुष्मति संज्ञका इष्टकाः संपाद्य तद्रूपेण आहुतिर् ध्यायन् आहुतिमयीश्च इष्टकाः संवत्सर अवयव अहोरात्राणि तेनैव संपाद्य पुरुषनाड़ीस्थ संख्या सामान्येन तन्नाड़ीस्तानि एव अहोरात्राणि. Long sentence is there. The whole paragraph is one vakya. Let us see first small portion. Ukta sankhya samanyena agnihotra ahutihi. Agnihotra ahutis and agni avayava bhuta yajushmati sanyaka इष्टकाः. Agnihotra ahuti and ishtakaha. So 720 bricks will be there, 720 ahutis you will do. Sampadya tadrupena ahutir dhyayan ahuti mayishcha ishtakaha. Ahuti dhyanam he will do, and then ahuti maicha ishtakaha samvatsara avayava ahoratrani. The day and nights which are the avayava of samvatsara. Tenaiva sampadya purusha nadistha sankhya samanyena. In Purusha Nadi also this 720 Sankhya is there. That is given in 7 number Tippani. The quotation is given, Trinitaha Shashti Shatani, Trinitastani, Saptavimshati Shatani Bhavanti. Nadi, how many Nadiyah? 720. There are two corrections in that 7 number Tippani. Dehabhimaninah sadhakasya pumso nadya halant you need. Nadyascha देह पार्श्वयोर अभेदेन तद विभागेन विभागेन इज वन शब्द देह पार्श्वयोर अभेदेन तद विभागेन सो विभागे न च दैट इज हाउ इट लुक्स सो न भागे न शुड बी वन शब्द तद विभागेन च पूर्वोक्त संख्यावत्यो भवन्ति नाड्य है बहुवचन so halant is needed शतंच एका हृदयस्य नाड्यः कठोपनिषद मंत्र is end तासाम एकम so here you see now so three things now nadi ahuti ishtaka all 720 nadi at the level of adhyatma ahuti adhiyajna ishtaka adhibhuta in different ways you understand there is samanvaya पुरुष नाड़ीस्थ संख्या सामान्येन तन्नाड़ी ही तानी एव अहोरात्राणि आपाद्य दो नाडीज इटसेल्फ दे आर डे एंड नाइट मीन दे आर 720 तद्रूपेण आहुति ही इष्टका नाड़ीश्च अनुसंधानो दिस पुरुषः अनुसंधानः पुरुषः नाड्य नाड़ी अहोरात्र याजुष्मति द्वारा सी ऑल थ्री आर गिवन नाड़ी अहोरात्र याजुष्मति आहुति अहोरात्र मीन्स एज मेनी सो 720 nadis 720 ishtaka and so many ahutis पुरुष संवत्सर चित्त्यानाम समत्वम आपाद्य what is this upasana then aham agnihi samvatsaratma prajapatihi eva iti dhyayan this purushah sandadhanah he will do this dhyanam I am agni I am samvatsaratma I am prajapati so this prajapati dhyanam will take him to this loka Brahmaloka, then Punarmrityu will not be there. He will die here once, he will go there, then Krama Mukti he will get. Dhyayan Agnihotram Payasa Samvatsaram Juhvat. Agnihotram Payasa with this milk, that is why it is Sarva Samanyam Annam and it is Sadhanam. Agnihotram Payasa Samvatsaram Juhvat. He will do this for 1 year, but apamrityu punarjayati will be from first day itself. Bhaya will not be there. Samvatsaram juhvat vidyaya sahita homa vashat prajapatim samvatsaratmakam prapya mrityum apajayati ityartha. So in this way he will do dhyanam. ध्यायन अग्निहोत्रम पयसा संवत्सरम जुह्वत विद्या मीन्स दिस उपासना उपासना सहित होम वशात not only karma and upasana he will attain prajapati so whenever he does this dhyanam aham prajapatihi this is ahangrahopasana ahangrahopasana will give you krama mukti Even from Brahmaloka, there is no Punaravritti. But some other upasanas, like Panchagni Upasana and all, there is Punaravritti. Everyone who goes to Brahmaloka doesn't get moksha because they are Sakamis. Sakama Upasana, after Brahmaloka also, A Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha Punaravartin Arjuna. मृत्युम अपजयति इत्यर्थः. एकीय मतम उपसंहृत्य तन्निंदापूर्वकम मतांतरम आह. So एकीय मतम means this is matam of some. तन्निंदापूर्वकम, now this is being criticized matantare. इति एवं ब्राह्मणवादाः आहुः न तथा विद्यात् न तथा द्रष्टव्यम्. So some people say that he will do it for 1 year, then he will get punah apajayati punarmrutyum, but one should not think like that. Yad ahaha eva. See, in Bhashya it is given, yad ahar eva juhoti tad ahaha punarmrutyum apajayati. Not samvatsara bhyasam apekshata. Evam vidwan san. Clear? I mean, I will repeat that again. Huh? शास्त्र ही प्रमाण है. यद अहह एव जुहति तद अहह पुनर्मृत्युम अपजयति. So what is the pramanam in this, that on that day itself he will win over? Shastra is pramanam. In other words, if somebody starts doing it for 1 year and let's say after a few days that person dies, is it possible? So it is not that if he does it for 1 year only then he will get the phalam. Here this Shruti says, if he does it for a few days, phalam has already come. Thereafter, if he is not able to do, means his sharira pata happens, then also he has won over apamrityu because his sankalpa was there. Like if Bhagavan says in Bhagavad Gita, sadhureva samantavya samyak vyavasito hi saha. Now he should be considered sadhu. Now what is the pramana? Bhagavad Vakya is pramana. Bhagavan says he is good adhyavasaya, therefore he is sadhu, but he is sadhu. Anya Vyakti, etc., they don't need to do any tika tippani on them. If Bhagavan has said sadhu, then sadhu. Iti evam brahmanavadaha. Evam vidwan iti uktam vyakti karoti. Evam vidwan san. That is how it is given in Bhashya. How evam vidwan? Yad uktam payasi hi idam sarvam pratishthitam. Paya ahuti viparinamatmakatvat sarvasya iti. Payasi hi idam sarvam pratishthitam. Everything is residing in payas only. Why? Because everything is that ahuti is parinama. Tat tathaiva in tika, tat tathaiva vidwan एक अहोरात्रावच्छिन्न आहुति मात्रेण जगद रूपम प्रजापतिम प्राप्य मृत्युम अपजयति इत्याह. See what is said. तथा एव विद्वान एक अहोरात्रौ अवच्छिन्न आहुति मात्रेण. With 1 day and night he does one set of ahuti for first day. Jagad Rupam Prajapatim Prapya. He will attain Prajapati. Mrutyum Apajayati. This is the Pramanam. He will do 1 day also and he will get. In Bhashya, Tad ekena eva ahna jagadatmatvam pratibhadyate. एकेन एव अह्ना, अह्ना तृतीया, by अह्नः शब्द, by one day and night he will become Jagadatma, means Prajapati. टीका, उक्ते अर्थे श्रुतिम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. In this, Shruti is quoted. तदुच्यते अपजयति पुनर्मृत्युम पुनर्मरणम सकृन् मृत्वा विद्वान् शरीरेण वियुज्य सर्वात्मा भवति न पुनर्मरणाय परिच्छिन्नं शरीरं गृह्णाति इत्यर्थः. अपजयति पुनर्मृत्युम, so apa will go with jayati punarmrityum, punarmaranam apajayati means he will die once or not.
Die.
Okay, is there a question? Prashna is there?
Ahan shabda Swamiji.
Ahan.
Akhna. Ahan shabda. Nakaranta napumsaka.
Ahan shabda, ahna is tritiya. How? So punar maranam sakran mritva vidwan sharirena vyujya. Once he will die, sharirena vyujya sarvatma bhavati. Na punar maranaya parichinnam shariram grana. Once again he will not take parichinna sharira for death. This is also gati for those who can do such ahangraha pasana. टीका, सर्वं हि इत्यादि हेतु वाक्यम आकांक्षा पूर्वकम उत्थाप्य व्याकरोति. So the next vakya which is there in the mantra, कह पुनर् हेतुः सर्वात्मा सर्वात्म आप्त्या मृत्युम अपजयति इति. सर्वात्म आप्त्या मृत्युम अपजयति इति कह हेतुः. What is the hetu in that? टीका, before that भाष्य, उच्यते सर्वं समस्तं हि यस्मात् देवेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो अन्नाद्यम् अन्नमेव तदाद्यं च सायं प्रातः आहुति प्रक्षेपेण प्रयच्छति तद्युक्तं सर्वं आहुतिमयम् आत्मानं कृत्वा सर्वदेवान्न रूपेण सर्वैर्देवैः एकात्म भावं गत्वा सर्वदेवमयो भूत्वा पुनर्न म्रियत इति. सर्वं समस्तं हि यस्मात् देवेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अन्नाद्यं. सर्वं समस्तं हि यस्मात्, all of that is there. समस्तं हि यस्मात् देवेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अन्नाद्यं, अन्नाद्यं अन्नमेव. Everything is annam for devata. देवेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः अन्नाद्यं अन्नमेव तदाद्यं च सायं प्रातः आहुति प्रक्षेपेण प्रयच्छति. So that what is annadya bhakshaniya, that is offered to devata sayam pratah. Ahuti prakshepena prayachati. Tad yuktam sarvam ahutimayam, and therefore everything is result of that ahuti, therefore sarvam ahutimayam. आत्मानं कृत्वा सर्वदेवान्न रूपेण सर्वैः देवैः एकात्म भावं गत्वा. He will become one with all the devatas, the one who is offering in this way. And then punarnamriyata, once again he will not die. Sarvaihi devaihi ekatma bhavam means through upasana. in टीका यथोक्त दर्शनवशात् एकया एव आहुत्या मृत्युम अपजयति इति अत्र ब्राह्मणांतरम संवादयति. Now somebody will ask, what is the pramanam that एकया एव आहुत्या मृत्युम अपजयति? So another brahmana is quoted here. Full the in bhashya author onwards up to iti, that all the three lines, they are all from another brahmana. Atha etadapi uktam brahmanena. This is also said in that other brahmana. What? Brahma vai swayambhu tapotapyata tadaikshata navai tapasyantyam asti hantaham bhuteshu atmanam juhavani भूतानि च आत्मनि इति तत्सर्वेषु भूतेषु आत्मानं हुत्वा भूतानि च आत्मनि सर्वेषां भूतानां श्रेष्ठ्यं स्वाराज्यम् आधिपत्यं पर्येत् इति. And this is also said in another brahmana, Brahma vai swayambhu. Brahma means Brahma. Swayambhu. Tapo atapyata. He did the tapaha. Tadaikshata. Navai tapasi anantyam asti. So, of this tapa, there is no anantyam means infinite. Anantasya bhava anantyam. Tapa will not have anantyam. Means it will be anitya phalam. It will not have nitya phalam. Any tapaha. Hantaham bhuteshu atmanam juhavani. And therefore, in all the bhutas, bhuteshu atmanam juhavani, I will become one with all the beings. In bhuta, I will offer myself. Bhuteshu atmanam juhavani. Bhutani cha atmani. And all the bhutas in myself. Iti tat sarveshu bhuteshu atmanam hutva. In all beings having offered oneself. Bhutani cha atmani. And all beings in oneself. Sarvesham bhutanam sraishtyam swarajyam adhipatyam paryet iti. Sarvesham bhutanam sraishtyam swarajyam adhipatyam paryet. So, among all bhuta, he will become swarat. Tasya bhavo swarajyam means adhipatyam. He will shine the foremost among all. Paryet iti. Paryet, pari upasarg purvak, ang upasarg in gato dhatu. Specific sutra I will let you know. Means he shall attain. This Brahman Vakya is elaborated in Tika. यथा संवत्सरम इत्यादि उक्तम तथा यद अहरेव इत्यादि अपि ब्राह्मणांतरे सूचितम इत्यर्थः. यद अह एव means that day when he does this ahuti, that part. ब्राह्मणांतरे सूचितम. ब्रह्म हिरण्यगर्भ भावी जीवः स्वयंभू परस्यैव तदात्मना अवस्थानात् तपो अतप्यत कर्म अन्वतिष्ठत. ब्रह्म means ब्रह्मा हिरण्यगर्भ भावी जीवः, who is in bhavishya is going to become हिरण्यगर्भ. परस्यैव तदात्मना अवस्थानात् तपो अतप्यत कर्म अन्वतिष्ठत. So he did this kind of tapa, upasana and karma. Parasyaiva tadatmana avasthanat means that Hiranyagarbha alone was in the form of Jiva earlier, who is doing this karma upasana. Then he said, Tadaikshata navai tapasya anantyam asti. Why no tapa is going to give ananta phalam? Yat kritakam. Kritam, is it a kritam? Then you add kritakam, make it kritakam. Yat kritakam tadanityam. Iti nyayena karma ninda prakaram aha. Karma ninda is there. Tadaikshata iti. So he did this ikshanam, that this karma is not going to give ananta phalam. Karma sahaya bhutam upasanam upadishati. Karma sahaya bhutam upasanam upadishati. Hanta iti. Hantaham bhuteshu atmanam juhavani. Juhavani is lot lakara. Uttam purush. जुह्वानी भूतानी उपासनाम अनुद्य समुच्चय फलम कथयति. So now karma upasana samucchay phalam is this, that he will become sarvesham bhutanam sreshtham swarajyam adhipatyam paryet. Sreshthatve rajkumaravat aswatantriyam ashankya. Somebody says he'll be sreshtha like Rajkumar, he will not be swatantra. Rajkumar is, he feels, when will I become Raja? All the time he is worried about that only. Aswatantriyam. Sevakas are all the time around. Swarajyam iti. Swarajyam adhipatyam paryet. Adhishthaya palayitritvam adhipatyam. He will have palayitritvam. Adhipatyam means he will be palayita of all. What is the question?
Swamiji, this statement, Brahma Hiranyagarbha Bhavi Jivaha. Then the next word is Swayambhu. So, Bhavi Jivaha as well as Swayambhu.
So you have to understand, Hiranyagarbha Bhavi Jivaha. That Jiva who is going to become Hiranyagarbha in the next life. That Hiranyagarbha paryaya is Swayambhu, Brahma. So Jiva who in his next life is going to become Brahma, who is Hiranyagarbha, who is Swayambhu. That Jiva parasyaiva tadatmana avasthana. In this life itself, he is meditating this way, I am Hiranyagarbha. He is not Hiranyagarbha yet. That's why he has to do tapa, he has to do karma, etc.
Swamiji, it means that he is not going to be born, but the father. Swayambhu means?
No, in the next life, Swayambhu, see, Swayambhu means he is born, but not because of the association of mother and father. Swayameva bhavati.
No devatas are born because of parents.
What is your main question?
This that Swayambhu word as well as this Jiva who is going to be born. Because in my understanding, Swayambhu means the one who is there, came by oneself. There is no.
Okay, Swayambhu word is used only for Hiranyagarbha or Brahma. Okay, it is like if you use the word Pankaja, it is used only for Kamalam. So Swayambhu is that Brahma who is right now a Jiva in next life he is going to become Hiranyagarbha. So Hiranyagarbha bhavi jiva. Okay.
Om Swamaji.
पश्वन्य व्याख्याते प्रश्न रूपम मंत्र पदम आदत्ते. पशुवन्न पयः is व्याख्यानम is done. Now mantra padam is given. Kasmat tani na kshiyante adyamanani sarvada. So this was given in the mantra. Yada tika. So you see now in tika objection is a nanu chatvari annani vyakhyatani त्रीणि व्याचिख्यासितानि तेषु अव्याख्यातेषु कस्माद् इत्यादि प्रश्नः कस्मात्. See, he says how many annas are there total? Sapta.
7.
Out of sapta anna, how many are vyakhyata?
4.
4.
Chatvari. Chatvari annani vyakhyatani. So 3 have to be defined. Trini vyachikhyasitani. Teshu avyakhyateteshu. Their vyakhyanam is not done. And you suddenly are talking about kasmat tani nakshiyante. Why these 7 there is no kshaya? 3 are not even explained what they are. Kasmad ityadi prashna. Kasmad, how do you have this kasmad ityadi prashna? Kasmad ityadi prashna. Kasmad tani nakshiyante adyamanani sarvada. This prashna, that why even though they are consumed every day or every moment, why there is no kshaya? Iti ashankya. This is the question. साधनेषु उक्तेषु साध्यानामपि तेषाम् अर्थाद् उक्तत्वम् अस्ति इति अभिप्रेत्य प्रश्न प्रवृत्तिं मन्वानो व्याचष्टे. साधनेषु उक्तेषु 4 are sadhana rupa anna, then next 3 are sadhya rupa. So when sadhana is mentioned, sadhya is also mentioned. Sadhyanam api tesham arthat uktatvam asti iti abhipretya prashna pravritti manvano vyachaste. And therefore, why this prashna is there, that is explained, that it is okay. We can have this question now. यदा पित्रा अन्नानि सृष्ट्वा सप्त पृथक पृथक भोक्तृभ्यः प्रत्तानि तदा प्रभृति एव तैर्भोक्तृभिः अद्यमानानि. यदा पित्रा अन्नानि सृष्ट्वा, when the pita having created this annam, sapta पृथक पृथक भोक्तृभ्यः प्रत्तानि, the 7 annam they were given to different people. भोक्तृभ्यः प्रत्तानि तदा प्रभृति एव तैर् भोक्तृभिः अद्यमानानि. So तदा प्रभृति एव तैः भोक्तृभिः. So the earlier ones, all of them, भोक्तृभिः अद्यमानानि, by this bhokta they all are consumed. From when? Since Prajapati created them. Tada pravriti means in that way. Since he created the annam, from that day onwards, sarvada adyamanani it is given. Now, since that day, everybody is consuming. So it should be over by now. Tika. Annanam sada bhoktrurbhir adyamanatve hetumaha. Tannimitatvat tesham sthitehe. Because तन्निमित्तत्वात्, अन्न निमित्तत्वात्, तन् means अन्न निमित्तत्वात् तेषां स्थितेः, तेषां भोक्त्रादीनां स्थितेः. टीका. भोक्तॄणां अदर भोक्त्रादीनाम और भोक्तृणाम स्थितेः इट इज गिवन इन टीका. अन्न निमित्तत्वात् दैट इज आल्सो गिवन. तन्निमित्त मीन्स अन्न निमित्त. तैः सदा अद्यमानानि तानि यव पूर्ण कुसुलवद भवन्ति क्षीणानि इत्यर्थः. यव पूर्ण कुसुल, if there is a kusula means a storage place for grains, yava, barley, etc., something is kept. You go on consuming and you think it is going to remain full. There is a kshaya there. So like that it should happen in the world also. Kshinani bhavanti ityartha. Sarvada ityasya vyakhya nairantaryena. Not only they are adyamanani sarvada. Mean nairantaryena. किंच ज्ञान कर्म फलत्वाद अन्नानाम यत् कृतकम तदनित्यम इति न्यायेन क्षय संभवति इत्याह. एंड जस्ट एज ज्ञान कर्म फल, इट इज ज्ञान कर्म फलत्वाद अन्नानाम यत् कृतकम तदनित्यम, दैट न्याय विल आल्सो अप्लाई क्षय संभवति इत्याह. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.